Over the last few months, there have been dozens of AI coding assistants, but still my favorite one is Cody. I reviewed Cody a couple of months back and I will put the link to it in video's description, and it really amazed me because of its ease of use and the way it very natively got integrated with Visual Studio Code. The great thing is that the development team behind Cody is improving Cody day in and day out, and the best thing is that Kodi is free forever for developers, and you only have to upgrade when you cross the very generous rate limits. In this video, let me show you a couple of more great features which have been introduced by Kodi. I have already installed Kodi when I did my last video, so let me show you where that is. So if you open your VS Code and then go to your extensions by clicking on this extension tab, maybe search for Kodi, then you will find Kodi. If it's not there, you can simply install it by searching for Kodi. This is not the one, this Kodi AI by Sourcegraph is the one which I'm talking about. Once you are there, then once you install it, then there is this icon which you need to click for Sourcegraph Kodi. As soon as you click it, here you can ask Kodi anything about the code. As you can see, I already have opened my YAML file, the Kubernetes template or manifest. It's a very simple Nginx template which I'm using for as an example. Now, one of the coolest feature about Kodi, which they have just released in Sourcegraph Kodi 5.1 is inline chat. So if you go to the detail, maybe click anywhere. Let me click on line number 19 with the plus sign. And as you can see, this is Kodi for you. Now you can ask Kodi, for example, what is this line of code doing, and then ask it, and as you can see on the left hand side it is generating the response. You can also stop it. So I am using mouse. You can also use control plus shift plus C for the new inline chat, and in order to start generating you can use CMD plus enter. So there you go, it is telling us that this line specifies a Docker image to use for a container, and it has also given you what sort of Docker image we are using in this line, which is spot on. So you can do a lot of things with it. For example, if you have received a new code and you don't know what that code is doing, what the logic is, you can simply go in and then ask Cody what it is doing. Another example which we can do is a very complex regular expression statement. Let me grab one and we will ask Cody what that one is doing. Okay. Um, Let me go and find some. Okay. Let's see what Cody does in this example. So as you can see, let me hide it. So this is the regex which I'm using. It's quite a long one. So let's see if Cody is able to recognize it. Okay, let me. Okay, regex. So it was already there. So I have just pressed enter. Now click on plus sign and I'll ask what this regex means. So let's see what it does. It's quite a complex one. This regex is primarily is being used to match an email address. So let's see if it is able to. Oh wow! So as you can see, this is a regular expression to validate email addresses. Very impressive. I hope that you liked it. If I will also paste the link to this Cody's website where you can download this if you don't have it already or you want to read more about it. If you like it, please consider subscribing to channel and also share your feedback. Thank you very much.